How to download and install YouTube app on laptop or PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download the YouTube in our laptop or PC. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you can open up your preferred browser and go to youtube.com. And once you're here, it is super easy. So in the top, in the search bar, when you go to youtube.com in your preferred browser, you'll be finding an arrow option, this one right here. So when you go ahead and click on it, you will be finding an option that says that allows us to download it. So you can just download it. Since I have already, you can go ahead and open it up. But if you have not, you'll be finding an install option. Once you go ahead and click on it, it will be downloaded on your device and you can use up the app instead of the preferred browser. So that is how you do it, and follow up this method in order to download the YouTube app on your phone, your laptop or PC. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.